Let's go to the cockpit of his aircraft and see if Captain Shetterly has any words for us today.
The 8 West demonstration team is proud to be here at Burnett, all the way from Tucson, Arizona. I'd like to give a special welcome to our wounded warriors in the crowd. Guys, it's folks like you, paying big-time sacrifices that protect our American way of life and our freedom.